Hello everyone. In the last video session, we discussed the pin details of IC7490, decade counter, IC7447, 7-segment driver and 7-segment display, how to make connections between them. To continue the session, we are going to make connections between the IC7447, 7-segment driver and 7-segment display and execute its operation. Connecting a 7-segment IC driver with a 7-segment display. Identify the pin numbers 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 15 and 14 from the 7-segment IC driver IC74LS47 that is used to connect the output to the 7-segment display through 220 ohm resistors as shown in the circuit diagram. Connect pin 13 of IC74LS47 to pin 7 of 7-segment display for A terminal. Connect pin 12 of IC74LS47 to pin 6 of 7-segment display for B terminal. Connect pin 11 of IC74LS47 to pin 4 of 7-segment display for C terminal. Connect pin 10 of IC74LS47 to pin 2 of 7-segment display for D terminal. Connect pin 9 of IC74LS47 to pin 1 of 7-segment display for E terminal. Connect pin 15 of IC74LS47 to pin 9 of 7-segment display for F terminal. Connect pin 14 of IC74LS47 to pin 10 of 7-segment display for G terminal. Connect pins 3 and 8 in the 7-segment LED and connect to 5V power supply VCC. From the output LEDs in the digital trainer kit, choose any 4 LEDs and name it as QA, QB, QC and QD. Connect pin 12, pin 9, pin 8 and pin 11 of IC74LS90 to QA, QB, QC and QD respectively as shown in the circuit diagram. Execution. Switch on a plus 5V regulated DC power supply. Apply one clock pulse to the input at pin 14 and record the output logic levels. Observe outputs of IC74LS90. Verify the output logic levels for successive clock pulse inputs and observe the status of outputs QA, QB, QC and QD after giving each clock pulse at the input as shown in tabulation. Clock pulse 0, outputs 0, 0, 0, 0. Clock pulse 1, outputs 0, 0, 0, 1. Clock pulse 2, outputs 0, 0, 1, 0. Clock pulse 3, outputs 0, 0, 1, 1. Clock pulse 4, outputs 0, 1, 0, 0. Clock pulse 5, outputs 0, 1, 0, 1. Clock pulse 6, outputs 0, 1, 1, 0. Clock pulse 7, outputs 0, 1, 1, 1. Clock pulse 8, outputs 1, 0, 0, 0. Clock pulse 9, outputs 1, 0, 0, 1. Similarly, observe the outputs of the 7-segment display. Clock pulse 0, LED display output 0. Clock pulse 1, LED display output 1. Clock pulse 2, LED display output 2. Clock pulse 3, LED display output 3. Clock pulse 4, LED display output 4. Clock pulse 5, LED display output 5. Clock pulse 6, LED display output 6. Clock pulse 7, LED display output 7. Clock pulse 8, LED display output 8. Clock pulse 9, LED display output 9. Hope now you'll be able to construct and test synchronous decade counter. This concludes the session on how to construct and test a synchronous decade counter. Thank you.